Practice problem 3, let's look at our coefficients. So with x, we have a 7 and an 8. And for y, we have a 2 and a 2. So we're going to eliminate our y's. They have the same sign, so we are going to subtract. Okay? Put a minus sign out here. 7 minus 8 is negative 1x. 2 minus 2 is 0. The y's are eliminated. 24 minus 30 is negative 6. I can't solve for negative x. I need to solve for positive x. So I need to divide by negative 1 to make this positive. So x is 6. Pick one of these equations. I'm going to pick the one with slightly smaller numbers, the first one. And instead of x, I'm going to put a 6 in its place. And then solve for y. What does that give me? 42. Now I'm going to subtract 42 on both sides. So I have 2y. I have to flip this around, so that means my answer is going to be negative. 12 minus 4 is 8. So divide by 2 for my last step. Y is negative 9. So I think the answer is 6. Negative 9. Let's check to see if we did that correctly. 6, negative 9. First number is x. Second number is y. Plugging in everything inside parentheses to see if we get 24 on both sides. X is 6, y is negative 9. This is 42. This is negative 18. Let's subtract. 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, the first one checks out. Second equation, instead of the x and the y, we're going to plug in 6 and negative 9 in these parentheses. So x is 6, y is negative 9. 48 minus 18 is indeed 30. They both check out. We did these correctly. So now it is time for your exit ticket. Show your work and check it. Check it, check it, check it. If you do not get the same number on both sides, you need to go back and find your mistake, okay? Please do not just force it if you know that's not the right answer.